Ready to turn that Apple gift card into the latest iPhone, a sleek pair of AirPods, or maybe even that new iPad you've been eyeing? First, let's head to Apple's website. Make sure you're on the official Apple.com site to avoid any scams. Browse through Apple's wide array of products and add your desired items to your shopping cart by clicking Shop Now and then Add to Bag. Once you've got everything you want, click on the shopping bag icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. On the checkout page, you'll see a section labeled something like Add Promo Code or Gift Card. Click on it. Carefully enter the gift card's code. It's a long string of numbers and letters, so double check for any typos. After entering the code, your gift card balance will be applied to your order, and you'll see the total amount adjusted accordingly. If your gift card doesn't cover the entire purchase, you can use another payment method, like a credit card or Apple Pay, to cover the remaining balance. Prefer shopping in person? Simply head to your nearest Apple store. At the checkout, just present your Apple gift card to the Apple specialist, and they'll scan it to apply the balance to your purchase. And that's it. Enjoy your new Apple goodies, made possible with your Apple gift card. Remember that Apple gift cards can only be used for products, unlike Apple Store gift cards, which can be used for services like Apple Care.